Washington construction company. So we are in a flat. This is the first bathroom. I would like to show you the second bathroom with a big bed, two places. There is a air conditioning just up to it. You can put your clothes just over here. I would like to continue this visit to presenting to you the second bathroom and his room with a big bed. There is a television. That's the second bathroom. We must pay attention to the view of this room with the whole temple of Hanoi. Actually they are singing, so it means we are in the center of Hanoi, in a very whole quarter. It's very calm and very relaxing. Let's continue our visit to go to the living room, but first on my right there is a kitchen with many furnitures. There is a big fridge just over here. There are everything what you want, I mean plates, forks, knife, glass. So this is the living room now, with a relaxing place. As you can see on my right there is a television. There is a Wi-Fi connection, ventilation just up to us. From this point we can get a very beautiful view on a lake, on one of the lakes of Hanoi, because there are 18 lakes in Hanoi. So if you want to come in this city, you will see many of them. So the table, if you want to eat with your friend or family, and to finish, the balcony. Very appreciating to see that in Hanoi. A little table. And the lake just over the building up there. And I would like to show you the street, a typical street of Hanoi. As you can see, it's wonderful. During the summer everything is green. That's perfect. So that's it for this apartment in Van True Street. If you want to know more, contact the Company. Bye bye.